Google is officially launching its latest foldable on the 20th of August, presenting it not as a completely new concept, but as a polished continuation of its foldable journey. Instead of reinventing the wheel, the company has focused on smarter design adjustments, stronger durability, and a deeper integration of AI to refine the overall experience. The changes begin with the displays. The cover screen is now larger at 6.4 inches, built with OLED technology, and supports an adaptive refresh rate between 60 and 120 Hz. Brightness has also been significantly boosted to 3000 nits, a big step up from the previous model. When unfolded, users get an 8-inch LTPO OLED display that matches the same brightness level, ensuring sharp visuals and smooth performance across both screens. Durability has also taken a leap forward. For the first time in a foldable, the device carries an IP68 rating, meaning it is resistant to both dust and water, a standard usually reserved for premium slab phones. Inside, the phone runs on the new Tensor G5 chip, paired with the Titan M2 security module. This setup is complemented by a massive 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options that go up to 1TB with UFS 4.0, making it the most powerful and efficient Pixel device yet. The camera system has also been upgraded. The rare setup features a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 10.5-megapixel ultrawide lens, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto camera that now supports an impressive 10x optical zoom. For selfies, there are dual 10-megapixel cameras designed for both folded and unfolded use, ensuring flexibility in how you capture your shots. Battery life gets a small bump with a 5150 mAh cell, supported by 30-watt wired charging that can reach 50% in just half an hour. Wireless charging has also been improved with 15-watt speeds and the new Qi 2 standard through Pixel Snap, making it more efficient and convenient. On the software side, the foldable launches with Android 16 and promises 7 years of updates, which is among the longest support commitments in the industry. AI takes center stage here, with features like Gemini Live for real-time assistance and call assist, designed to make conversations smarter and smoother. Pricing begins at $1,899 in Germany, with the 256GB version expected to be around $2,100. The device will be available in Moonstone and Jade, adding a touch of elegance to its premium design. Google seems to be aiming for balance this time, combining power, durability, and everyday usability in one package. With all these thoughtful refinements, this might just be the Pixel foldable that finally convinces more people to make the switch. In the end, this phone is being described as Google's most refined foldable yet. It doesn't completely reinvent the category, but it sharpens all the key areas that matter: brighter and smoother displays, industry-leading durability, a stronger chip with more memory, an improved telephoto camera, extended software support, and faster, more reliable charging. So now the question is, what do you think? Does this foldable finally hit the mark for you? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.